It's about to get cheesy in here.
Hi everyone. So today we're going to be making some Velveeta fudge.
This recipe was brought to us by @BDylanHollis. It'll be below somewhere
Here.
on TikTok. No promises that this is going to be good, but he says it was good, so
I mean, it could be.
it could be.
Yeah.
Let's try.
Yeah. All right. So here we have 1 cup of salted butter.
A ½ pound of Velveeta cheese.
Yeah. And 2 tablespoons of vanilla. And Dylan didn't say in the video how much vanilla it was. We're just guessing it's 2 teaspoons.
We have a ½ cup of cocoa powder.
And then a whole 2 pounds of powdered sugar.
It's gonna go great.
Yeah. So, first off, we're gonna melt the butter and Velveeta in a big pan over medium heat.
Now, the ½ pound of Velveeta.
½ pound.
Oh, it didn't even stick. Just went in.
Yeah.
Oh wait,
Nice.
yeah. There's a little
Little,
tiny piece.
little piece. We need
Little
it.
tiny
Here we
piece.
go. Got it.
Yeah, I gotta have all that.
It's
Oh man.
it's like rubber.
Oh, how is this gonna be good?
Like when you so if I have I don't even know if Velveeta is sold outside of the United States, but if it's not, for reference, Velveeta is an easily meltable cheese. I'm doing cheese here in big quotes because it doesn't need to be refrigerated. So what is it?
It is American cheese product.
Yeah.
That is what it is officially termed.
It is melting
It is.
slowly.
I'm just like, my brain can't process that this is gonna be good. But he says it's good.
Yeah.
But there's just
It's-
no way.
There's like the whole for reference, since I said 2 pounds. 2 pounds of powdered sugar is about 8 cups, so it's a lot.
It's a lot of sugar.
Yeah,
If you are diabetic, don't get near this.
yeah. It's also not like I would think there would be more cocoa powder if anything. It's only ½ a cup for this much. See, it doesn't seem like enough,
Oh man.
but
I barely eat folks too. Here, you want me to stir for a little bit?
yeah.
Okay, you know what?
You can break it up more. Okay. Yeah.
It actually doesn't smell that bad.
We bought you like the smallest Velveeta that our locals.
That was a big splash.
What was that? Oh god. But the smallest Velveeta we had was a pound. So I was like, what am I gonna do with ½ pound of Velveeta? Because I'll never use it. So last night, Vermont at twitch.tv/Vermont Seagull.
Or
Fries.live.
Fries.live.
Fries.live, yes. We did a stream where we made cereal with some milk alternatives. And one of them was the other half of this Velveeta. And it was not good.
So our frame of reference is not high.
Yes. Now we will throw in our ½ cup of cocoa powder.
Well, actually, the cocoa's starting to come through, so
Okay.
it's starting to slowly improve.
That's what I was hoping. I was hoping once the cocoa was in, the Velveeta stench would be drowned out. I can still smell it.
Yeah, I can still smell the Velveeta, but
Try
the
folding.
cocoa powder is like mixing in.
Okay, yeah.
Folding and mixing.
Yes.
It helps.
All right, time for 2 pounds of powdered sugar.
2 pounds of powdered sugar. Okay, here we
2
go.
whole pounds.
It's so much.
Yeah, I'd say
So much.
move it to another burner. Move it to like the back burner there.
No. We want it on the bigger burner.
Yeah, but I'm saying like to actually get it off the heat because it'll still be hot.
No, this should still be on the heat for this.
Okay.
When we stir in the vanilla, we take it off.
It's just, it doesn't end. There's so much.
We're almost there.
Are we?
A little more. There we go. Okay, that's it.
God.
Yeah.
And it's supposed to like become creamy at a point.
Yeah.
And it actually kind of is. I'm seeing it
is.
slowly start to.
That's the Velveeta.
What?
It's like the Velveeta, and like we melted it, and then like after a little bit, it becomes a new substance. It's like there's solid, liquid, and gas, and liquid Velveeta.
It's becoming creamy.
Those are the 4 elements. Okay, and then once it's all creamy like that and the heat is off, we'll toss in the vanilla. Stir that in.
I refuse to believe this will work. My brain doesn't want to accept that this will work.
It's gonna work. I mean, that looks like fudge.
What the?
It looks like fudge. Working. Okay.
Okay.
There we go.
That's our fun. No, I refuse. This shouldn't work.
There we go. Okay. So now we'll pour this in a little like 9x13 pan and throw it in the fridge for probably 2 hours until it's hard. And we will get back to you on how good it is.
Hi everyone, so the fudge is all chilled. I can still smell the Velveeta through it, so I don't know how this is going to be good, but we're all going to try it.
It was stuck to the pan.
Yes, it was very stuck to the pan. Yeah, put parchment paper on whatever pan you're putting this in, so it doesn't stick. All right.
Ready?
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, that is good.
It was actually good.
What the hell? This shouldn't work.
Now I can't smell Velveeta. I don't know why I could earlier, now I can't.
That's good fudge.
And I'm not even one particularly for fudge.
Yeah, same.
Let's go fudge.
That's good fudge. Oh my god, seriously, if I could throw some like a little bit of sprinkles, which is what I like in my fudge, and I'd eat the whole thing. The whole thing.
This will probably take me 2 days to finish.
Oh yeah, fudge is always very rich.
Yeah.
And that's rich. What is?
It is rich. It's good. It's actually good.
Right.
Bob just reminded me that I didn't actually do an outro earlier, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I don't know what we're going to do next week because I haven't planned it out yet, but until then, stay safe, be good to one another. I love you all. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Vermont's here now.
There was a second plane.